Wanted to take a minute to go over some functionality added in 4.29, our December 2019 release. Specifically, I want to talk about quality sample entry. There was some insight brought to us from folks that use quality sample entry for components or for either raw materials or for finished goods, where they wanted to be able to have an easy way to identify or pick up samples that have already been entered for a specific lot number. Prior to this release, you could do a lookup and then do some filtering based on lot number, etc., by batch or lot. You can use the filtering to do that. That you can do prior to this release. What we added in this release was the ability to come in and in the sample number field is type in the lot number. When I tab off of this, it will go and look for whatever is in this field in a couple of places, in the sample number as well as the batch lot number, and the occurrence of that will bring those records back. So this helps me identify which sample that I want to pull up. So in this case, component lot QC sample number 46 as an example. Now it's basically inquired that, bringing back the other data, and I can either enter or edit that data. So this is really good for a scenario where you've got an existing sample out there and you want to go review those numbers, maybe update them, etc. So we've added functionality into this sample number so that you can look it up by lot number, or even for that matter by part number as well. So if I've got, say, DC RMO2 and I want to see all the samples that I've got out there for DC RMO2, I can do that as well. So it's just basically building some intelligence into this lookup. Now, if in your environment this isn't working, it's just simply bringing up the sample number, give us a shout. There's a stored procedure that might need to be loaded into your database. It's a really simple task on our part, and we can take care of that. So know that these type of features are things that we like to add in that come directly from user feedback. So if there's this or something else that's helpful, let us know. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.